Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display and here select screen timeout and see here the timing. By default it is set to 30 seconds. What it means, after 30 seconds of inactivity of phone screen will be timed out. Okay, so if you would like to change to other option, yes, you can do it. I first show a demo like 15 seconds. Okay, so what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone? If you do nothing on your phone up to 15 seconds, yes, screen will be timed out and it will go to sleep. Okay, so this is called screen timeout. Okay, if you would like to change screen timeout to longer duration, for example, if you are scoring in a cricket match, frequent screen timeout will disturb you. Okay, so for that time you go to it is better to use longer time. Okay, so longer maximum given here is 10 minutes. Up to 10 minutes you can make your screen longer and screen will not be timed out and it will not go to blank. Okay, suppose if you would like to choose between the medium duration, yes, you can choose from the available options: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, by default it is set to 30 seconds. I set it to the default 30 seconds timed out option as of now. So in this way you can easily control screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.